video, we will take a look at Recover, a file recovery application for Windows. Recover allows you to find and restore files that you have lost or accidentally deleted, including files deleted from the recycle bin. The first time you open the application, the Recover wizard is displayed. This helps you to perform a quick scan for a lost file. You just need to choose the type of file that you have lost and where you want to search for it. The results of your search are displayed within the Recover application. Simply select the lost file, click Recover, and save it to a folder on your drive. The advanced menu allows you to perform another scan. The Options menu allows you to control how the scan is performed. For example, the Deep Scan feature can search for files which haven't been discovered using a regular scan, or you can scan a damaged disk to retrieve the lost files. You can control how a lost file is recovered, and you can select the types of drives which are available for scanning. You can add a useful scan option to the Windows Explorer and Recycle right-click menus. You can also save these settings to an INI file. We hope you enjoy using the Recover application. Thanks for watching.